Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and high protein paneer sandwich that is perfect for breakfast or quick snacks. So let's get started. Begin by thinly slicing the purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is rich in antioxidant and vitamins which help boost your immune system. Followed by slicing the onion. Onion adds a nice crunch and are great for heart health. And then slicing the green, yellow and red bell pepper, or you can say capsicum. The variety of capsicums provide antioxidants and a colorful appearance, making the sandwich both nutritious and visually appealing. This combination of vegetables ensure you get a good dose of vitamins and minerals, contributing to a balanced diet. Next, dice the paneer into small cubes. Paneer is an excellent source of protein and calcium, making this sandwich a great option for protein-packed meal. Add the paneer to a bowl along with the sliced cabbage, onion and capsicums. Mix in the boiled corn. Corn is not only delicious but also provide dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Season the mixture with salt and pepper according to your taste. Now add a generous amount of spicy red chutney and mayonnaise to the bowl. You can add any type of chutney or mayonnaise you have. Chutney adds a burst of flavor while mayonnaise gives a creamy texture. Mix everything together until well combined. Spread the mixture evenly on the slice of brown bread. Brown bread is a healthier option as it contains more fiber compared to white bread. You can make more than 5 sandwiches with this mixture. Cover with another slice of brown bread to make a sandwich. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the sandwich in the pan and toast them until golden brown on both the sides. You can use little to no oil to keep the sandwich light and healthy. Once toasted, remove the sandwich from the pan and serve them hot. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Follow for more healthy and easy recipe. Enjoy your high protein sandwich and have a great day. See you next time.